Alright guys, I just heard a co-star light come. Probably. Amtrak train. Guys can't probably see it. Could try to get a good shot. Yeah. Probably not so bad.
Need to make a bridge, dude. Watch your step. You step over it. There you go.
It's actually not that bad.
Alright, let's hurry. So you can get a good video, bro.
Probably turn off my flashlight.
Yeah, I got my flashlight. Yeah, not too close for the grips. It's gonna be loud, so get right here, bro. This is a safe area right here. Alright. Don't record yet.
I started recording a little bit.
Yeah, you don't need your
Flashlight.
yeah, you don't need your flash, right? Yeah, here it comes. I see it.
Probably around here. Short little train video. Here you go. Let's try to get some badge numbers now.
It's number 14, Starlight.
14.
Yeah, it's
Probably-
the same exact train we were riding.
Probably 349 again, I'm guessing.
Here it comes.
Yeah. So, yeah! Actually hooked at me, let's go! Yeah! Well, I actually honked that video. That's real. You guys can tell that is real train content right here if it honks at me. The light just went.
It was going 70-something miles per hour, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. Because those seats are actually smooth. You guys probably seen when 349 came. It's probably 349 again. I didn't get it. But we'll see. I'll check the video footage. So, I'll see you guys in a minute. That's Zeo Micah out. Oh, look right here. I don't know if you guys can see. That's actually a train traffic light. That's one extra thing. Alright, love you guys. Peace out. Subscribe, follow for more. This is going on YouTube, boy.